Good morning, my friend. Good morning, everyone. It's 2024. We have our first grand. Put in 400 in this machine. Got down to that, spending $10. Got 3 minis at $2.50, and then they all came in. I am so jazzed about this. Unbelievable. Okay, I'm gonna push the button now. Yes. Here comes the rest of it. So happy about this. Unreal. Matt Bridger and I were playing this one last night, and this is the second machine I came to this morning. Had a feeling about this one. Nice. So here we go. 14,042.98. Good morning.